Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So some people wanted to know whether the regular house light can be used for illuminating the succulents. Unfortunately, the regular household tube light or the bulb is not going to emit enough of the intensity or the lux, as we have already spoken about this. 1500 to 2000 lux, 2000 above is something that is going to work out really well. So right now it's still daytime, so I'll have to wait in the night, because right now if I'm going to take the reading, it is going to take the reading of the light outside as well. So only during the night I can give you a proper reading of what this light bulb is going to be emitting. With that you'll get a fair idea, because a lot of people tend to think that succulents can grow under regular lights in the living room. So that is not going to work out. That's the reason why we have these specific grow lights for plants and for succulents. So you have to use those grow lights, because this particular bulb is not going to give you that enough lux for the succulents to grow compact and to have that color. So let it get a little bit darker and I will take the reading of this bulb that I have. So guys, it's already dark and I have the light meter. Now you can see the reading is showing a little less because I've taken the light meter away from the light. And as I will start to take the light meter closer to the light bulb, you will see there will be an increase in the reading. So I will literally take the iPad and almost touch the light bulb in order to get a full reading. As you can see, the numbers are increasing, and the reading what I could get even after touching my iPad to the light bulb, 790 was the maximum reading, 790 lux. Now guys, 790 lux is nothing for succulents. The succulents prefer 1500 to 2000 lux minimum. Anything above is going to work out really well. Ideally, your grow lights are going to give you 4000 plus lux, which tends to work out really well. Only then your succulents are going to have that beautiful color. 1500 to 2000 lux, the succulents will stay compact. That is usually what the indirect bright light also tends to show up. But if you want that brilliant color, if you want that intense color, if you want them to look absolutely fantastic, then you'll have to use a grow light. A regular household light or a tube light is not going to work out. As you could see, the maximum light emitting out, or the lux, was only 790, which is almost nothing for our succulents. If you are going to keep your succulents under such conditions, they will definitely stretch. They are not going to be in the best condition. So please do not keep your succulents in the living room or in the bedroom, especially when you do not have grow lights. If you have grow lights, you can of course grow them anywhere. But if you're growing it indoor and you do not have a good amount of light, if you do not have an intense light that is above 2000 lux, then definitely your succulents are going to struggle. So be extremely careful. So if you are a person who's planning to grow succulents indoor, or if you are planning to get them indoor and you do not get a good amount of light, then please invest into a good quality of grow light. Otherwise, it is going to be nearly impossible for you to grow succulents. If you are a person who receives morning direct sunlight, probably you have your window that is east facing, and you get a good amount of morning direct sunlight for 5 hours, then of course it's going to work out really well. But if you are a person who does not receive much light, please do not use your regular lights. They are not going to work out. They do not have that required amount of lux which our succulents need. So that's about it. I'm sure you might have got a pretty much fair idea of what is the light requirement for succulents. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.